Do you ever feel lonely, even when surrounded by people? Do you long for more friends, genuine connections? But building those friendships feels like a difficult barrier to overcome. If you're wondering why you still struggle to make friends, this video is for you. There's a crucial mistake, a common mindset that might be sabotaging your chances of building the friendships you desire. And most importantly, it's a mistake you can start avoiding right now. The need for belonging and having friends is fundamental to our well-being. Loneliness can be painful and negatively impact our mental and emotional health. If you've been trying to make friends but still face difficulties, it's important to identify the obstacles that might be in your way. Often, the biggest of these obstacles lies in a subtle yet powerful perspective that influences all your social interactions. The crucial mistake that many people make when trying to make friends is approaching social interactions with a neediness mindset. This mindset manifests when your primary focus when interacting with others is to fill your own need for friendship, acceptance, or validation. While it's natural to want to have friends, this implicit pressure can, paradoxically, push people away. When you approach interactions with an intense need to make friends, it can manifest in several subtle ways. You might seem too eager to please, talk too much about yourself without showing genuine interest in the other person, or convey a sense of emotional emptiness. People, even unconsciously, can feel this pressure and recoil, as genuine relationships are built on a mutual and balanced exchange, not a unilateral need. The crucial shift in perspective you need to adopt right now is to move from a neediness mindset to a value-offering mindset. Instead of focusing on what you can gain friendship, acceptance, focus on what you can offer to the interaction and to the other person. This doesn't mean giving material gifts, but rather offering your genuine presence, your attentive listening, your sense of humor, your interesting ideas, your support, and your kindness. When you approach interactions with the goal of offering value, you become more attractive to others. People feel good around those who listen to them, value them, and contribute positively to the interaction. This approach creates a more balanced and genuine dynamic, which is the fertile ground for true friendships to blossom. Here are some practical steps to start adopting the value offering mindset right now. Be a good listener. Show genuine interest in what others say. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage the other person to share more about themselves. Share in a balanced way. Contribute to the conversation without monopolizing it. Offer support and kindness. Be helpful and considerate. Bring positivity. Share your good humor and enthusiasm. If you still struggle to make friends, avoid the crucial mistake of the neediness mindset. Make the shift to a value-offering mindset. Focus on how you can contribute positively to social interactions and to the lives of the people around you. By making this simple yet powerful shift in focus, you will naturally become more attractive, and the friendships you desire will begin to flourish.